Hey everybody, thanks for tuning into my presentation. I chose Coca-Cola. I wanted to do a logo that was very iconic and very well known. They do a really good job on being purposeful in using the design elements. Um, they do a great job of expressing an emotion and creating very simply what they want to portray in one picture. The first thing that my eyes are drawn to are the alignment of the text. There's a very clean alignment with both lines of text on the side, and it's also aligned with the bottom of the logo, Coca-Cola, and the bottom line, Open Happiness. It creates this organization between two different sides and almost an imaginary line down the center of the screen, but it doesn't create a break in the design. It's harmonious and it blends together really well. The other thing is the logo color red. It's the iconic color of Coca-Cola. It's balanced out and contrasted by the green in the background. These two colors are not similar, and so they balance each other out, and it makes the color, the Coca-Cola, pop. And your eyes are drawn to that. Also, using that red color, they created this ladybug in the corner, and it creates this continuity and this repetition between the logo and then the ladybug. And drawing your eyes over to the other side, it also creates this balance between visual weight on both sides of the design. One side is not too heavy from the other. For my ad, I wanted to do something very similar, follow the emotion and the theme of this, the Open a Coke, Open Happiness. This is my design. I use the rule of thirds to balance out the text and the Coca-Cola bottle. They're both evenly distributed across the design, and they are able to use all the elements to their advantage. The Open a Coke, Open Happiness is very clean. It's a sans serif font. It's very easy to read, and your eyes are drawn to it. It balances out the script font of the Coca-Cola logo. In addition to that, the dark, rich color of the Coca-Cola, the bottle, it balances out the light in the background photo. It creates this contrasting element that draws your eye to that. The red in the Coca-Cola logo, the label, it's balanced out from that green, the bluish, rich color from the back. And it's very iconic. You see that and you know what it is, and it strikes an emotion in you. The idea of this, go outside, have happiness in this cold weather, I'm very drawn to that. Get outside and have your Coca-Cola be your companion in your next adventure outside. Thanks for watching. This has been my presentation on Coca-Cola and how the elements are combined to make an effective ad.